How are you? I am Humera. Welcome to my YouTube channel Coding World. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Let's start. Today I am here to explain you about how to create a web page. If you are interested to create a web page, you should know the coding and languages. Let's talk about languages. There are many languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, etc. Many are there. We will learn it later. Now we will going to learn about HTML languages. Let's see the introduction part of HTML. In introduction part, we will going to learn about some basic things like definition of HTML, who invented the HTML, in which year, in which country. Let's see one by one. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML describes the structure of web page. HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. Let's see more points in introduction part. HTML was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. The first publicly available description of HTML was a document called HTML Pages. It can also be assisted by technology such as cascading style sheets called CSS and scripting languages such as JavaScript. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee invents the web with HTML as its publishing language. The World Wide Web began life in the place where you would least expect it, at CERN, the European Laboratory for Particle Physics in Geneva. Country name is Switzerland. Basic structure of HTML. In this topic, the most important thing is about tag. Listen guys, the tag names and their codes are very easy to remember. There are many tags: image tags, heading tags, preserve tags, background tags. Many are there. We will learn it in my next video. Now, doc type HTML defines that this document is an HTML document. Tag HTML, it is the root element of web pages. Tag head contains the meta informations about the HTML pages. Tag title, this specifies the title for the HTML pages. Tag body defines the document's body and is a container for all visible content such as heading, paragraph, images. Now move to the next topic. Steps to create web pages. Step 1. Open Notepad. Step 2. Write some code. Now I have written a small program by using HTML heading tags. See guys, doc type HTML, HTML body. Compulsory you should write these 3 codes because this is very important in every program. Now in this paragraph tag, what you want to display in your output you can write and it will be display also. Like I have written size variation of heading using heading tags. Let's talk about next heading tags. There are 6 levels of headings specified by tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. In this, by increasing the heading tag number, the font size of the headings will be decreases. For example, H1 has the largest font size compared to H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and H6 has the lowest font size. You will be better understand after seeing the output what I want to say you. Now save this file in your notepad extended with .html and see the output. Here I have wrote a small program. Let's see the output of this program. Guys, you have noticed that what I have written in paragraph tag, it was displayed here and the font size also varies. That is, H1 has the largest font size compared to others. I hope you have understand.